Welcome, everyone. Today's story is about two friends, Rohan and Ananya. They are college students who study online every day. But one day, while talking about online study, they realize something deeper. That learning is not only about books or screens. It's about connection, patience, and real understanding. So sit back, relax, and listen slowly. Repeat the sentences with them if you want to improve your English. Let's begin.
Good morning, Ananya. Can you hear me? Your voice was breaking yesterday during the class.
Good morning, Rohan. Yes, I can hear you clearly today. My internet was weak yesterday. Sometimes I feel online study is more about fixing Wi-Fi than learning. Laugh softly.
Yes, true. Every time I start learning, someone at home starts watching a movie online. Then my class freezes. And the teacher says, "Rowan, are you there?" And I disappear like a ghost. Both laugh.
Haha, I can imagine that. But still, don't you think online study has helped us a lot? We can learn from anywhere, anytime.
Yes, that's true. Earlier, I had to travel 2 hours every day to reach college. Now, I just open my laptop and I'm in class. But, still, something feels missing.
What do you mean, Rohan? What's missing?
I don't know. Maybe the human touch. When we study online, we see faces on the screen, but we don't feel them. There's no laughter, no noise, no real presence.
Yes. I miss that too. I miss sitting in the classroom, sharing lunch with friends, asking silly questions, and hearing everyone laugh.
Exactly. Sometimes I think we are learning more, but feeling less. Learning used to be fun, now it's just silent.
You are right, Rohan. But maybe this is also a new kind of learning. Learning to be strong alone. Learning to stay focused, even when no one is watching.
Yes, you're right, Ananya. Maybe this is teaching us discipline and patience.
You know, sometimes I feel very tired of screens. After long online classes, my eyes hurt. But still, I have to complete assignments.
I feel the same. Sometimes I open my notes. And after 5 minutes, I'm on social media. Online study needs self-control.
Yes, that's true. Earlier, teachers would say, "Pay attention." Now we must say that to ourselves.
Exactly. Now, we are our own teachers, our own motivators.
But still, I like when teachers record classes. I can pause, rewind, and listen again slowly. That helps me improve my English pronunciation too.
That's a very good point. Even I repeat my English lectures slowly. When I listen carefully, I notice every small sound, like how words connect together. It helps a lot in speaking clearly.
Rohan, what keeps you motivated to study online every day?
Good question. Sometimes, I'm not motivated. But then I remind myself why I started. I want to learn, not just for marks, but to grow, to express, to understand this world better.
That's beautiful, Rohan. For me, motivation comes from dreams. I imagine my future, working in a big company, talking confidently in English, helping others learn. That vision gives me energy.
That's amazing, Ananya. Dreams are the best teachers. They wake us up every morning.
Yes, and sometimes they keep us awake all night too. Both laugh gently.
It's evening already. Time passes so fast when we talk like this.
Yes, and I feel peaceful after talking. You know, Rohan, I used to think online study was boring. But now I feel, if we bring emotion, it can be beautiful.
True. When we speak with kindness. When we listen with attention. Even an online class feels alive. It's not the platform that matters. It's the heart we bring into learning.
That's such a lovely line. Can I write that down? It's not the platform that matters. It's the heart we bring into learning.
Of course, you can. Maybe that's our life lesson for today.
Yes, and maybe one day we'll look back at this time and realize that online study taught us more than we expected. Not just subjects, but life skills.
Ananya, thank you for this talk. I feel lighter now. Before this, I was tired and frustrated. Now, I feel inspired again.
I feel the same. When we talk with honesty, even learning becomes healing. That's what education should be. Not just marks, but meaning.
Beautifully said. Let's promise. Whether online or offline, we will keep learning. Slowly, patiently, and with love.
Yes, Rohan. Let's keep growing together.
And that's how two friends discovered the real meaning of learning. Online study may be quiet, but inside that silence, there is strength. If you listen slowly. If you learn with emotion. Every word becomes a teacher. Thank you for listening. Repeat this conversation. Practice slowly. And remember, English is not only a language. It's a journey of feeling, expression, and understanding.
Thank you so much for watching, friends. I hope today's lesson helped you learn something new and exciting in English. Remember, practice every day, speak confidently, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we grow. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe for more lessons, and share this video with someone who's learning English too. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next class. Take care and end.